My name is Kylie Pena, and I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager for Professional Editing at Adobe. And we're here at IBC 2025 with a brand new version of Premiere Pro 25.5. It features over 90 new effects, transitions, and animations that are amazing, included and powered by our recent acquisition of Film Impact. We've also done a ton of work with the timeline to make it more precise and more reactive for playback, including having persistent waveforms that are dynamic and stay visible while you're clicking and dragging, slipping and sliding, and a ton of community requests fulfilled as well. It's a great update. So we have over 90 new effects, transitions, and animation built into Premiere Pro, and this gorgeous visual Film Impact dashboard, which you can find, so you can preview exactly what you want to find, and it's everything from really cool light leaks and transitions that are very modern. They're all GPU accelerated, and they're in real time, so you can drag and drop, and it really helps to make your pieces just stand out. Like, for example, this social media piece, you need to be able to stand out in a sea of a bunch of other videos, stop people from scrolling away. So I can take the same piece and add quite a bit of flair to it by adding things like VHS glitches, adding effects and treatments to the text itself, and just having a lot more polish overall to my video. You'll notice it's playing back in real time, no red render bars. The other great thing about this is I can click on these effects and I can have all this control. There are so many different parameters you can change with this, and there's the surprise me button as well, which generates different versions of that same effect. So if you need to ideate, you can generate limitless customizations. Aside from this, we also have persistent waveforms. So we've been doing a lot of work in the timeline, and now when you're dragging a clip around, you can keep the waveform visible. It's also when you're slipping or sliding, it feels like a completely different app because you can get very, very precise in here. And we've also made it so playback is a lot more instant, and we're doing even more under the hood work there. So those are a couple of the things that are really excited about happening inside of Premiere Pro, on top of a lot of little community requests and just quality of life updates that I think editors that are in the timeline and doing the work every day will really enjoy. This is maybe the most editor-driven release I've seen at Adobe. It's truly driven by community feedback, lots of great stuff. So update to 25.5 today and get started and let us know what you think.